Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing DJI Mini 3 Pro Fly More Kit Plus. So when you normally buy the DJI Mini 3 Pro with RC or without RC, it doesn't come up everything which you need to do. And this one has a bag and plus two extra battery, and this is the very compact charger and plus extra propellers, and there is one charging cable. This kit is not available in the local stores in Australia like JB Hi-Fi, Good Guys, or anything. And I have purchased that one for Kogan website, and they have two different type of kits. One is for $259, which comes up with the 34 minutes batteries, two batteries, and the $100 extra if you pay, you will get batteries, different batteries, which are 47 minutes battery. The original battery comes up with the 22 minutes they claim, and when you actually use that, it is hardly 18 minutes in use. So you definitely need this kit. Let's do what's inside the box, and I will explain you which they are still missing in this even after charging 359 or 259. So let's see what's inside the box, guys. So this is the $359 kit from Kogan, and so this is the carry bag for your drone, which you must need to avoid any kind of damage or anything. So this is a very compact 3 battery chargers, and it has two batteries they have provided. So the 359 kit comes up with the 47 minutes batteries. Each battery has 47 minutes, which is quite good. And the original battery comes up with only 22 minutes. So, and you can charge all the batteries together. So there is type C charging cable here, and it acts as a power bank also. You can use as a USB to charge your mobile or anything. And this is the power button, so you can check the battery level. So it is, when you charge all the 3 points, 4 points, they start blinking, and each battery is charged one by one. Let's say first battery, this one will be charged, then second, this one battery will be charged, then it will be charging the third one. So if you turn on, and you can see the battery level, see the batteries are all fully charged, those two. So let's see what else is in the bag. So that is some papers. So this is all inside this box. So these are the extra propeller for the drone, and these are some of the, just a tag for the instruction, washing instruction for the bag, and this is another charging cable. So on my left is the new battery with the 47-minute flight time, and on the right is the battery which actually comes with the drone. So if you are not sure which one to carry, so the one is 249 grams showing, and that is the one which is actual original battery. The other one is a new high power battery, and but only thing is, when you put up the new battery, since it is a little bit heavy, so the drone will be more than 249 gram weight, but it is still good. As you can see, all my batteries are fully charged now. So as you can see now, in the bag I can fit all the things. So this is my drone, and this is my RC, and plus all the three batteries. So it is pretty much cool kit, so you must have buy. I would say that still they are missing something. Even the $359 kit, they should have at least 40-watt fast charger. So I have to use my own one from Samsung. They should rather provide that so that it becomes a compact travel adapting kit. So that one is still missing, so you have to buy this separate. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.